Welcome to Oak Meadow Estates, a charming new home community in Angier, North Carolina, designed for homeowners who want space, convenience, and a little more breathing room in their everyday life. Here you'll find thoughtfully crafted homes with spacious interiors, first floor living options, 3-car garage availability, and half-acre home sites that give you room to live the way you've always imagined. For these select floor plans, future homeowners will be invited to our design gallery to pick their finishes and fixtures. But Oak Meadow Estates is more than a place to live. It's a place to build a lifestyle. Just minutes away, you can enjoy local favorites like Naylor Family Farm, Neil's Cafe and Bakery, Thanks a Latte, and the beautiful Jack Marley Park, where walking trails, open green space, and community activities make weekends feel a little sweeter. Oak Meadow Estates is also perfectly positioned for easy access to everywhere you want to be. We're only 18 minutes from Fuquay Arena, close to Lillington, and right in the heart of Angier, giving you a small town charm with big town convenience. Commuting is simple with quick access to NC 55, and you're just a short drive from Raleigh, Research Triangle Park, and Fort Bragg. Whether you're looking for a fresh start, more flexibility, or a home that truly fits your life, Oak Meadow Estates brings it all together. Space, comfort, community, and an ideal location. Welcome home to Oak Meadow Estates, where life feels grounded, connected, and perfectly you. Schedule your tour today at hhhunthomes.com.